bustle, Bert. Let's show these island boys how hip meets hip in the gay cafes of Honolulu.
Righto, let's have a go at it. Here, spot my cabbage. Now, nothing too fancy now.
No?
Shake that thing, baby. Shake that thing.
Easy now, easy, slow.
What, Mama? Burn like glue.
Thank you. Don't down, Jerry. Take them up right and put them down easy. That's it. The word to remember is glide, here.
That's the stuff, Betsy. I hit the high five.
It isn't the rhythm that counts, it's emotion. Come on now, glide. Ah, boy.
Young woman,
You got the swing now, Bertie.
young woman, have you no respect for the Lord's day?
What?
This is Sunday, young woman.
Were you speaking to me?
I am simply reminding you that this is the Sabbath.
Yes, Miss Beth. Right you are, sister.
I say this must stop. Do you hear me?
I say, Mama, we're disturbing you.
Whether I am being disturbed or not is of no consequence. There are 6 days in the week to dance if you must dance. Mr. Horn, is this sort of thing general in your store?
Well, it's a general store, ma'am.
Oh, enough said. Complaints registered. Withdraw to my